Hello and welcome. In this short video, I will demonstrate how the new work order issue by SSCC web app that is released with Beas Manufacturing 2022.04 makes it possible for a non-WMS customer to issue materials quickly by scanning the individual GS1 label of the material. As we have the labels of the materials already, we can use the barcode scan to identify item quantity and load all properties identified with the GS1 code. This function makes this app faster than the others, where you must enter all information manually. Here, the one-click scanning of the label of one item identifies material batch and the item quantity to provide for a smooth and quick issue process. When all relevant information is provided in the GS1 barcode, item code, quantity, and batch, the system automatically loads the information of the warehouse and bin location when it is possible. In case of normal items or when information is missing, the system navigates to the Line tab to allow the user complete the empty fields manually. We hope you found this short introductory video useful. For more detailed information and the settings, please consult the Beas Online Help 2022.04. If you are a WMS customer and you would like to use this app, please check our other video. Thank you very much for your attention.